Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be reviewing the Boxycharm box that I do here monthly on my channel. So if you're new here to my channel, please subscribe down below and also turn on post notifications so that you never miss out on these unboxings of my Boxycharm. Is it considered an unboxing if I've already opened it? Whatever. I'm going to be showing you guys what I received in October's box, and I'm also going to be trying it on, sharing with you guys what I think about the products in this month's box. So for this month, the theme is called After Dark. I have variation number 24. Now you open this up like this and all of the products are listed on here. I don't know if you guys recall, but usually when you flip the card over from the Boxycharm, it said the theme and all of the products, but it's switched up. So just thought I should mention that. I'm going to try to make this very quick and simple because I have to be picking up my son right now. I have about 30 minutes before I have to go pick him up. So let's get started.
I'm back. Woo.
I am seeing something with skincare in here, so that's what we're going to get started with. And I received this right here. This right here is called Paula's Choice. This is the Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant. This gentle, non-abrasive leave-on exfoliant removes dead skin cells both on the surface and inside of the pores to reveal a smooth, glowy skin. This retails for $29.50. On the back here, the directions say that you apply over the face and neck with a cotton pad. And it says, do not rinse, it's for daytime, and always follow up with sunscreen. This is fragrance free and never animal tested. Definitely no fragrance. So I'm going to be applying it to a little cotton pad like this. And this is the area where I have the most issue with my pores. So I'm going to focus on this area first. It claims to remove dead skin cells, so I am just going on the forehead and right in this area where I'm breaking out. Look at this. Alright, so next is this eyeshadow palette right here. This one is from Dose of Colors and it's called Baked Browns. This claims to be cruelty-free, paraben-free, and talc-free. Now, I do have to tell you guys that this came completely destroyed. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a picture right over here of how it arrived. So that's why it kind of took a little while to get this video up. I've had my Boxycharm maybe for 2 to 3 days already, and I've just been waiting on a response to get a new palette. But I still wanted to get this video up for you guys, and I wanted to share with you guys what I received in my box regardless. So I also made a video on my Instagram if you guys want to check it out. I show you guys how I fixed it, sort of. It's not like super fixed, but it's also not falling apart as you guys seen in the picture. So this here is the eyeshadow palette. Obviously these two right here are the shades that broke, and I do want to mention that in my video that I did, this color actually looked a lot lighter, but I don't know if you guys can pick this up on camera. It just didn't come out looking the same color as it previously was. So for the purpose of this video, I'm only going to be using the 3 shadows that were not broken because I want to show you guys what you guys are going to get. I don't want to, since these might not be similar to how they previously looked in the palette, I just wanted to appear true to color. So just throwing that out there. Okay, so let's talk about this palette here. This is the Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette. This is a 5-pan matte eyeshadow palette with a mixture of shades. This palette is a great way to add boldness and vibrance to your eye looks. This retails for $32. I've never tried Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette, so I was really excited for this palette until it arrived broken. So let's see if we can just make those 3 eyeshadows work for a look today. I do want to say that this Paula's Choice, what is it? The exfoliating thing. It made my skin feel extremely moisturized, and it's just feeling really, really nice for makeup application. So let's just go ahead and jump into the eyeshadow portion so that I can begin applying the rest of my face. The eyeshadow palette did come with a tiny little brush here from Dose of Colors, except this side is a little bit too small for me to use it as a transition color brush. So I'm going to dive into the lightest shade first, which is this one right here. And I'm going to be taking a fluffy blending brush. And just by dipping into that color right here, I am experiencing a lot of kickback inside of the pan, but not to be worried. I already applied concealer on my eyes for the base and it's starting to crease, so let's move it along. With that color, I'm going to begin to apply it right up here. Oh shoot, that's pigmented. Ooh, that's a really nice mauve-y color. I love it. I'm just diffusing the outer edges, blending that in together. I'm also experiencing quite a bit of fallout right here. Good thing I didn't do my face makeup first. That is a beautiful color. Oh my god. I wish this palette wasn't broken so that I could have tried the other two shades. I was going to try to use this side of the brush here, but it's a little bit flat. I don't know if you guys can tell. You see it's like, I don't know, I just feel like this would be a good packing color, just not for blending. So I am going to be grabbing a different brush. So I'm going to grab a Sigma E33 brush that looks like this. And I'm going to be dipping into this color right here. So lifting my eyebrow up, I'm going to start to focus into this crease area and just warming that up. So now grabbing the same exact blending brush that I used with the previous color, I'm just going to start to blend those together. I just don't want any hard edges. What I am realizing is that when I dip into the colors, they are starting to crumble, which kind of explains why the other eyeshadows broke. These eyeshadows are a little bit delicate, I think. I don't think they made these eyeshadows with love. I mean, the pigment is there, they're blending really good, but I just don't like the fact that they're breaking really easily. And I'm just dipping my brush in there. I'm not even like pushing hard on it. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking the flat brush that I showed you guys previously, and I'm going to be dipping into the third shade from the palette. That's this one right here. Okay, so that one, I mean, I'm still seeing a lot of kickback in the pan, but it didn't break like the other one. So I'm going to begin by placing this one right on the lid. Okay, now I'm going to grab the same brush that I used for the previous color, so I'm just going back into brushes and diffusing these edges of the brown. I'm going to be repeating the same exact step to the other eye, and I'm also going to be applying some eyeliner, some lashes, the rest of my face, and then I'll be right back with you guys to share the other products that I received in my box. Before I leave, sorry, hold on, I'm not done with the eyes. So I applied some black eyeliner to my waterline, and I'm just going to be taking the brown shade from the palette, which is this one right here, and I'm using the other side of the Dose of Colors brush, and I'm just going to be placing that right underneath the eyeliner like this. And then going into that previous color, which is this one right here, and then just diffusing that brown. Alright, so the eyes are basically done. I'm just going to clean this up, and I'm going to apply some mascara, some lashes, the rest of my face. I'll be right back with you guys for sure this time to share with you guys the rest of the products. I'm running really late. I didn't even get to apply my lashes, so before I leave to go pick up my son, holy shit, I just realized that this fucking, there's a skin balm in here. Oh, I thought this was a setting powder. I'm disappointed right now. Fuck. Alright guys, so I had to go pick up my son, so this is like maybe 3 hours later. I'm upset, not at the product. I'm upset at how dumb I was to think that this was a powder, that I skipped this part, but you know what? This right here actually left my skin very moisturized, so I don't know if I would have been able to describe this product here to you guys, because since it does go on the face, I already applied this, so I don't know. I wouldn't know which one worked better. They both do have different things that they do, so let me read up on this actually. This here is the Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. An ultra hydrating primping skin balm with a sensationally smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. And this here retails for $32. I'm going to be applying it to the back of the hand. I have to often be applying lotions to my hands because I'm a very big germaphobe, and I have to wash my hands like after every single thing, which leaves my hands very dry. So I don't know if you guys can catch this on camera on how dry they are, especially in this area right here, if you guys can kind of see. So it says it's hydrating. I'll let you know. Ugh, there's a hair. This balm definitely melts into my hand and I feel the hydration right away. So I'm going to show you guys this hand right here. This is the one that I just applied to, and then this is my other hand. You guys can see that this one definitely needs some lotion or something. Yeah, that's what that's looking like. Look at my thumb. It just looks super dry and ashy. It also has a really nice, clean, refreshing scent. It's not too strong. It's very subtle, but it smells really pretty. I can't wait to use this on my face, but like I already mentioned to you guys, this here was very hydrating, so I didn't even need to apply that one. It would have just been a little bit too much, I think, for makeup application at least. So let's go ahead and move on to the fourth item in the box. This here is the Jante Blue Lip Liner. On here it claims that it has a long wearing staying power and it's creamy, highly pigmented, that glides on effortlessly and can be worn alone, used for a flawless lip contouring or as a long-lasting base for any lip color. And this here retails for $5. I have previously tried Jante Blue. I think we received it, Jesus, I don't even know how long ago, but the first time that I tried Jante Blue, I think it was an eyeliner for your waterline, and that one did not glide on effortlessly as it claims. So let's go ahead and try this on. I do want to say that I'm currently wearing some of this Carmax on my lips because I have very dry lips. Everything is dry on me. So it might be gliding on easier like this. I was originally going to just trace my lips, but I'm going to apply it as an all-over color. Moving along to the last item in the box is this iconic London gloss. This is the lip plumping gloss, and it claims that it's a non-sticky gloss and plumping power. Its high shine formula is infused with a biomimic peptide, which helps support natural collagen production for more defined and voluptuous looking lips. And this here retails for $26. I was not focused the whole time. What the hell? Alright, so let's just apply it over this lip color. I don't know if this is going with the eyes, but whatever. I don't know why this lip pencil and lip gloss was paired together, but it definitely toned down that red, which wasn't going with the eyeshadow. I like how it feels. It definitely feels like it's plumping, but I don't know how big my lips can get. I'm just cleaning off the applicator because I don't want to get that lip color into this tube. I feel like I'm definitely going to like this gloss, but just not with this lip pencil. Alright you guys, so there you have it. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed me putting this look together. You know what? I'm going to remove this lip combo because I just don't like how it looks like I just drank Kool-Aid or something. So now I have applied some Steve Laurent lip liner. This one I received from Boxycharm maybe 2 months ago. So that's what I did, and now I'm going to be applying the iconic gloss. This is how I would use this gloss. My lips do look kind of plump, don't they? Oh shit, Kylie Jenner, move over. If you guys see me looking to my left often, maybe it's your right, but if you see me looking over this way and my monitor is like right there, I want to make sure that I'm always like in focus and stuff. And my monitor is also a lot bigger than what my mirror looks like here. So I completely am obsessed with this gloss now. I think it's going to be something that you guys are often going to see me wearing in my videos to come. So yeah. Alright, and that wraps it up for this video. I am also going to be receiving my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and that should be maybe today or tomorrow at the latest, so that should be my next video going up. That completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And before you leave, let me take a look at my box because you guys often ask me how much it weighs. So the weight on this box here is 1.08 pounds. And its dimensions are 9 by 5 by 3 inches. Let me know what you guys thought about this month's box and also what you're most excited to receive. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!